Hey everybody, this is the Firemaple sunflower stove, and this is the case it comes in. It is really a nice case. We're going to open it up, and this stove is a combination stove and heater that runs on isobutane. It weighs 28.85 ounces, and its output is 6,141 BTUs. So that's it for the specs. It's made of stainless steel, got a little brass there. It's got some ceramic on the top here. Just wanted to show it to you here. It also has a 1/4-20 on the bottom, a 1/4-20 thread. You could actually put this on a tripod. I don't know why you would, but it's got fold out legs like this. And what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to make a ribeye on it with the Firemaple frying pan. And like I said, you can use this as a heater as well. However, you don't want to use it inside. That's the only drawback to it so far, is that you can't use it inside. And I understand it's kind of a fire hazard if you do that. But let me show you up close here, if you can see. It's not very big, but it's very well made. So I'm going to get this set up and make my ribeye on it. So I'll be with you. I'll be back with you in just a moment. Okay, only one of the other drawbacks to this is that it doesn't have a piezo with it, but that's okay. We'll figure it out. Okay, we are lit. It does have really smooth control on the adjuster though. We're also using a Firemaple pan, but you can see we've got two thin ribeyes here, and my hope is that this will be able to cook them up nicely. I was going to do it over a fire, but I decided I needed a good test of this anyway, so I'm going to get my pan nice and hot. Nice. So far, this is working out very nicely. All right, I'll bring you back when these are done, but yep, nice and hot. Okay, all done. I love this pan as well from Firemaple, but that stove, love it. So what are some uses for that? If you can't use it as a heater indoors, you could use it outdoors. Like if you're sitting in a chair or whatever, you could aim it towards your feet, I think. Apparently you can hang it up, but I don't know that I would do that. But yeah, I'm gonna make some bacon in the morning with it and do some further testing, but so far I'm pretty happy with it.